It's a quiet night in the pig household, and everyone is sleeping peacefully.
Is the baby coming?
Not for a few months, Pumpkin.
The playgroup. Huh?
What is that noise?
I'm sure it'll stop in a moment. See?
Oh, all right, everybody back to bed.
Oh, we'll never get to sleep with all this noise. Peppa, George, what do you say? Up for a noisy treasure hunt?
Yeah! Treasure hunt! I bet we find it in 2 seconds. 1, 2, 2.5.
Peppa and her family hunt everywhere for the noise.
I found it! Oh, never mind.
No. No. Aha! Oh.
But every time they think they've found it,
Gotcha! Oh.
Gah!
they hear the noise coming from somewhere else.
Aha! George!
Is it getting louder?
Aha! It must be Mark. Oops, maybe not.
Oh, let's look in the living room. Nothing here. Nope.
Aha! I've been looking for this.
Maybe in the bathroom.
Yes!
No.
Oh, dinosaur? Yes, George. Maybe it's one of our toys. Come on. We'll find you, beepy noise.
We've tried everywhere.
Except your room, Mummy.
We've been looking all night.
Peppa has realised the best way to look for the beep isn't to look at all.
I know. Let's close our eyes and open our ears instead.
But instead, to listen.
It's coming from here.
It's Mummy!
Oh, that's my fitness tracker. It beeps to tell me when I'm not getting enough sleep.
Yay! We did it! We found the mystery noise.
Well done, Team Pig. I think it's time we all went back to our beds and... or back to our bed. Everyone squeeze in.
Peppa and her family can finally go back to sleep. But now it's time to get up.
Maybe just 5 more minutes.
Oh no! The witch is casting a spell on me. Ah!
Tonight, Peppa and her family are having a movie night. They are about to watch a film about a witch.
Right, who's ready to start the movie?
Let's go!
Let's go!
George is very excited to watch the...
Wait! What about movie snacks?
Oh, we can't forget those.
Films do make me peckish. Let's make some witchy snacks for our witchy movie.
Hair of dragon and lots of worms. Ha 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 ha! It's just raisins, really.
What about some magic wands? Abracadabra!
Abracadabra!
And we'll need some magic potions. Fruities.
Now the snacks are ready, it is time to start the movie.
Let's get back to it.
You know, it would be lovely to have a cosy blanket for movie night.
Ooh, yes!
I am a bit chilly.
Let's make a witchy den.
Good idea.
I'll get the blankets.
Oh dear, George just wants to watch the film.
Everyone squish in then.
Much better.
Come and get squished, George.
I think George just wants to watch the film now.
Right then, let's get this started.
Yay!
Now the film has frozen.
Must be the Wi-Fi. I'll take a look.
Look, Mummy, George is doing a magic spell.
That's progress.
We need more magic. Woo-wee!
Aha!
Yay! Hooray! Woohoo! Yay!
You did it! Well done!
Well, thank you. Oh. Well done, George. Oh.
You make a very good witch, George.
Everybody loves family movie night, especially George.
Hooray! Stop him, Princess!
Tonight, Susie Sheep is sleeping over at Peppa's house.
Yes!
They are watching a movie.
Move, well done! Zap him! The princess is going to win, Susie!
A very loud movie.
Popcorn's ready, you two.
Hooray!
And me and George are baking something extra special for later.
Ooh. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you. Popcorn's the best, isn't it, Susie?
Everything is getting a bit loud for Susie.
It's a bit noisy, Peppa. Can we turn the movie down? It is loud in here, isn't it? Don't worry, I'll turn the movie up. That's better. Now we can hear the film.
It is not better for Susie, just noisy. So she has decided to find somewhere a bit quieter.
Everything okay, Susie?
Yes, thank you. The living room just got a bit loud and...
What? Sorry, Susie, you were saying?
The living room got quite loud and...
Gosh, is it 6 o'clock already? Sorry, Susie, let me turn this thing off. Now, how do I... Oh, no, turn off. Off.
Now the kitchen is too big and loud too.
Oh dear. Oh no. Ugh.
Susie, you're missing the best bit. Susie?
She was just here.
Susie has found a nice, quiet space in Peppa's room.
Susie, what are you doing up here? Oh, your mummy said it's 6 o'clock and I always read a story at 6 o'clock and everything downstairs was very loud, so I came here. There, much better. Can I read with you? Once upon a time, there was a very lovely princess and a very loud goblin.
Cookies are ready. Oh, oops.
Do you have cookies when you read your stories, Susie? Of course. Yes, please.
Peppa loves having sleepovers with Susie Sheep, and Susie loves having sleepovers with her best friend Peppa. Today, Peppa and Susie are playing in the treehouse.
Oh, hello, Susie. Do come along in. How awfully, terribly kind.
They're pretending to be grown-ups.
We should have a big, delicious cuppa. Gosh, we are having lots of weather, aren't we?
Someone is at the door.
Sorry to interrupt.
Your mummy is here to take you home, Susie.
Aww, but we were going to have a tea party like grown-ups. Can we have a sleepover in the treehouse, Grandpa? Please?
Oh,
Of course you can. You and Susie can sleep in the treehouse, and Grandpa Pig and I will camp out here to look after you.
Hooray!
Peppa and Susie are very excited to have a sleepover in the treehouse.
Here are your sleeping bags, pillows, lots of cuddly toys, and the best bit, a special starry lantern.
Wow!
Ta-da! All finished. Huh. Suppose I don't need these.
Grandpa Pig is excited to sleep in the tent too.
Whoa! Or perhaps I do.
Once he has rebuilt it. It is bedtime now, so Granny and Grandpa Pig are going to their tent.
Good night, you two.
We're just here if you need us.
Look, Susie. My shadow's really big. Ooh. Mine is a bird. Tweet, tweet. And mine is a butterfly. It's really loud. Granny Pig, we need you.
Is everything okay?
There was a really loud noise.
Gosh! Oh, my goodness!
Is it a monster?
Oh. No monsters here. Just Grandpa Pig snoring.
Oh!
Peppa and Susie love sleeping in the treehouse.
What's all this then? Oh, dear.
Even with Grandpa Pig snoring next door.
George!
Tonight, George is having a sleepover with Edmund Elephant and Richard Rabbit.
All right, everyone. Time for bed.
Don't worry, Mummy. I'll make sure they all go to sleep.
Thank you, Peppa.
Come on, then. Into your sleeping bags. Quick march.
Peppa likes being in charge.
Well done, Peppa. Good night, everyone.
Night. Only joking. You can't go to sleep yet. There's lots of fun things you have to do first.
George has never had a sleepover before. He is very excited.
First, we have to have a midnight feast. Oh, you've turned into ghosts. I know a spooky story about ghosts.
George, Richard and Edmund love stories.
This is a ghost story about a muddy puddle that wasn't muddy. Paranormal apparitions, or ghosts as they're commonly known, do not exist. It is scientifically impossible.
Edmund is a clever clogs. He doesn't believe in ghosts.
Can I tell a story? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a giant pig and a very small rabbit. Squeak, squeak, squeak. And they chased each other forever and ever. The end. That was a good story. Oh, I've got another one. This one is about...
George, Edmund and Richard have turned into ghosts again.
Silly George. Oh, do you know what's next? Yay! We have to stay up very late until, 100 o'clock. Ready? Oh. I don't think George understands sleepovers.
How's everything going, Peppa?
They're fast asleep, Mummy.
Well done. I think you've earned a midnight feast.
Hooray!
George and his friends like playing sleepover games, but they love to sleep.
And now for the amazing Ballet Circus Magic Show!
Today, Peppa is putting on a show for her teddies and George.
And now, the big magical finish. Oh! George, where are you going?
George is being very sneaky today.
George, what are you up to?
Peppa is following George into the garden to find out what he's up to.
Hello, kiddo. Hello, sunflower.
A secret room? Can I play, George? No. Fine. I'll make my own secret room. And it's going to be even better. And more secret.
Now Peppa is making her own secret room
Peppa?
under the garden table.
No, I'm not here. You can't see me in my new secret room.
Whoop! Phew!
I'm not sure this is the best place for you to play.
You're right. This isn't secret enough.
Peppa's new secret room is under her bed.
Now I can play any games I like practicing my amazing ballet circus magic show. Ooh, Oof, this isn't big enough. There, the most secret room ever.
Peppa, this is already a room.
Oh.
What's wrong, darling?
George made a secret room and he won't let me play, so I'm going to make one too, and George won't be allowed to play with me.
Do you think you might be a bit upset that George is playing without you?
No way. Maybe.
George is getting older, so he might want to play on his own sometimes. But you'll always be his big sister, don't you worry.
Yeah, always.
Right, so how about a tidy up?
Sorry, Mummy, I have to tell George something. George, it's okay if you want to play secret rooms without me, because you'll always be my big sister. Wait, no, I'll be your big sister. George, I was actually being a really nice big sister and the secret room is for you and me. I love it.
Peppa and George love secret rooms, and they still love playing together.
Yes. No.
Today, Peppa and George are having a bit of a falling out.
What's going on, little piggies?
George thinks the new baby will be a little sister. But I think it's going to be a boy, so I'll have 2 baby brothers. No, baby! No, baby! No,
There's no need to fall out. Whatever the new baby is, it'll be lucky to have such a kind big brother and sister, right?
Baby boy, baby boy.
Right.
Peppa and George don't get along all through breakfast.
I was first. It's my turn. Me.
There's enough for both of you.
And they don't get along during music time either.
We're listening to this song. No. Yes. No. Yes. Oof.
Why don't we all listen to this? Isn't that Oh.
And when they brush their teeth.
Let's share, please.
Come on now. Watch out!
Oh dear.
Oops. Sorry.
If you two can't share...
Then why don't you give each other some space?
Okay, I'll play in the bedroom and George can play here. No!
One of those days, isn't it?
More of them coming too.
Trumpet. Where's Teddy, George? Where did you put him?
Rock,
paper, scissors.
Oh,
Yes!
Teddy!
What's going on in here?
This is my half of the room, and that's George's baby half for babies. And George hid Teddy. No!
There'll be a new baby soon. You'll be an even bigger sister, Peppa, and you'll need to teach George how to be a kind big brother.
I can do that. Easy peasy.
Have you been a kind big sister today?
Not really. Sorry for calling you a baby, George. You're not a baby.
And have you been a kind brother today, George?
Thank you, but you can play with Teddy if you want, George. Big sisters should share. Teddy sure? Okay.
Sorted?
Oh, yeah. It'll be peace and quiet all day now.
Oh no! The Teddy saw is going to get me!
It's not always easy to get along with your brother or sister, but it's always easy to be kind.
Peace and quiet, huh?